Pause it.
Yeah, please. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to the next episode. We're just doing this in like one big seminar. So Jaden was just saying
he's pissed.
we only have a few hours to save us on Mars.
There has to be a goddamn clue somewhere.
And he's like on his RE, so that was
Face. This kid's gonna die, and I'm going around in circles!
All packed up and ready to go?
What are you talking about?
The investigation's over. We know who did it. We no longer need your services anymore, Norman. So you can ride your files all the way back to Washington. I'd be lying if I said I was gonna miss you.
The investigation isn't over. You have absolutely nothing on Mars.
That's so true.
Yeah.
He has
Mars
nothing.
is guilty. Case closed.
Like they don't have any proof.
Anyway,
Yeah,
it's no
he's like,
concern of yours.
he's the
You're off the case.
origami
So pack
killer.
up and fuck off.
Like he said it like 3 times.
Yeah. This guy's the
Blake, you
origami
are
killer.
an unbalanced, psychopathic asshole.
Yep.
Ooh.
I'll take that as a compliment. Honestly, I don't give a shit what you think. I found the origami killer. Everyone's happy. End of story.
That's why he wants to like
Have a
choose.
nice trip back, Norman.
Because he thinks like,
So I did some reading,
yeah.
actually. We could have had him fired.
Actually?
Yeah, if we turned on the camera while
Oh.
he was beating him. Is that the good shit?
Oh, that's the good shit.
Their teeth are
The
kind of
killer's
scary.
name is here.
I know,
Somewhere
I
in
was
this data.
thinking
I just
that
have to find it.
They got
Find it
like
before
dark
it's too late.
lines.
Yeah.
Oh, one last thing, sir. You should be careful not to overindulge in you know what. It can be dangerous. Very dangerous.
Okay, we
It'll end up killing you if you're not careful. That would be most unfortunate, sir.
This environment is actually kind of good on the recording software that we use.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll just do clues. We'll just go over them, right?
Yeah.
Really quickly.
Yep.
Should we do all of them?
Yeah. We'll just fast forward through this if we don't find anything interesting.
Because can he die if we go through all of them?
Really?
Yeah, because like the Ari's gonna kill him.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
A little bit. Okay, go.
Oh my god!
Ah!
It was so fast!
Stop. That probably won't work. Try it.
Goat watch.
Wow.
I'm sure I've seen this before somewhere.
Yes, you have. In the beginning of the game. Larry. Larry's the origami killer.
Fucking hell, Larry.
I knew it. We shouldn't have.
Trusted
We
Larry.
shouldn't have trusted Larry. Oh, Larry. He's the origami
The watch they give for
killer.
promotions to lieutenant. The killer is a cop.
He's the origami killer.
Do you
Okay.
think I need to go through all this?
No. Stop. Stop using the R. Do we need to use the origami?
I'm just gonna go through them all.
Origami killer.
Okay, just go.
2 receipts from the same gas station.
Yeah, we need to
Oh,
go
yeah.
through the.
Might be near the killer's hose.
Yeah.
Oh, that doesn't get us anywhere.
That wasn't. That was. Oh.
I know, I was like.
The killer lives in this zone. 342 people live around there. Not good enough. Gotta find a means of identifying the killer more precisely.
Who could it be? Less than animal who I did see.
Not this one.
No copyright.
Looks like the killer is a cop. Carter Blake! That would explain the dead-end investigation and his desire to frame Ethan Mars.
No. Investigate further.
Yeah, I know it's not him. Is that all we have to go through?
The origami.
This one. Did we do this? Or this is the movie?
This is the movie.
Should I?
Maybe do the punch. Try to do the punch.
What's? Oh, okay.
Oh.
This one.
No, the next
No, this one. This one.
Looks like the killer is a cop.
So what do I say here?
Carter
We know to
Blake.
accuse him.
Okay.
That would explain the dead-end investigation and his desire to frame Ethan Mars.
Continue investigating.
So, and then I'm just gonna clear it. Because I have nothing else.
No, go to clues. Go to clues.
No, I went
Okay, continue. X.
X.
X. Okay, clues.
Okay, but do I go for clues then?
You analyzed the receipt and
I
that
did.
it's a cop.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
There's only one cop in that geoprofiling zone. Gotcha.
So,
Yeah.
so now
He owns a warehouse on the docks. If I'm wrong, Sean Mars is dead.
But what if we're right? Yes, there we go. Sorry, that took a really long time.
we just really love Jaden.
Your mouth was full. We really love Jaden. Yeah, so basically, if we accused Blake, we would have pulled a gun on him and we would have made a total ass of ourselves.
Oh, okay, if I would have, they would have like.
Yeah, they would have taken us off the case and we would have
Are you
had
sure
to
it's the
resign.
right car? At the docks. Call in the SWAT team. Oh, and I'll need a chopper.
Why?
Today? Of course I'll need it today, you fucking imbecile.
Me.
He's
when
so
people
stupid
order.
though. Like he's so aggressive for no reason. Like
Yeah.
he's just like, I need a chopper for no reason.
Oh, I don't need a chopper. Oh, you're stupid. Oh,
Let me stay with you, Scott. I don't want to go.
Are they having a
Look, it'll only
relationship?
take a couple of days.
maybe.
Long enough
Hey,
to
this
get
is my
resolved.
playthrough.
Yeah.
I can't just wait while you confront my son's killer.
It's the only way, Lauren. Trust me. Now go stay with your mother for a few days, and I'll come and get you when this is all over.
Tell me who the origami killer is. I want to know who killed my son.
Listen, when I'm done, I'll tell you everything I know. I promise.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my. Oh my.
God.
Oh my.
The kissing in this game is so awful because like they're barely
Yeah,
kissing.
they're like,
It's like right, just like crazy.
I don't think these people know how to kiss. She looks so emotional.
I know.
Oh, what's he find? Ah!
I'll get help. Just hang on. Go on, hurry.
Hurry!
The water's
I
rising.
mean,
I'm
there's
hurrying. I'll be right back.
there's no way to save this guy because we know he dies. But I'm gonna
Yeah.
try anyways. I'm gonna be a hero.
You gotta go to your house.
Okay. Mom,
Mom's work is too far away. I'd never make it in time.
I mean,
Hold on, bro. I'll find someone.
go, bro,
Then we'll come
go.
back and save you.
Yeah, we'll come and save you.
Gotta find someone. The water's still rising. John won't be able to hang on for long. Need to get help fast. John's gonna drown. John's gonna drown.
Is that a person there?
That's his
This
dad.
place is completely desert. Dad, it's John. He fell into a pond. He's drowning.
you little pest.
That's so
Leave
sad.
me
Come, Dad. Come on. John's gonna die. John's gonna die.
That'll be one less greedy mouth to feed, won't it? Go
Please, Dad. I'm begging you. John's gonna die. John's gonna die, Dad.
Crap!
What a horrible father.
I know.
He's even worse than the guy in
Please, Dad.
the other
You've
game.
got to save
Beyond
John.
Two Souls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I only saw that once, and it was like, what?
I tried, John.
I hate that
I
guy.
really tried. But he wouldn't come. Please don't die, John. Please.
So sad.
It is.
It's so sad. Did he die?
Yeah.
Don't forget about my Scotty.
My name's Scotty. Could it be?
That's heavy.
That's heavy rain.
Yeah.
How are they gonna get the potty out?
How are they gonna get the potty?
Yeah.
Oh, the body.
Yeah, like if it's all stuck, like
They would've
oh
just.
my god, that's. Oh, he went to his mother's house.
Yeah, I think.
Well, Scott, it's been a good run, man.
Oh, he's gonna burn.
To burn or not to burn? What is the question? Really?
Oh, he's burning all of his stuff.
What's this? Okay. I mean, there's one less build bay. Oh, it's that girl I helped.
Yeah.
Emily!
They're showing you.
Oh,
that-
the phone. Scott Shelby's the origami killer.
It honestly is the most surprising thing ever.
It is, yeah. And the whole time, the fucking typewriter was on his desk.
I know.
Oh, man. Oh,
And like
man.
the fact that he was helping Lauren,
And then he just kissed her. Why
Like-
did he kiss her?
like that's just awful.
Oh.
Now they're showing.
Oh, and then all these people he helped, and he's like, I'm gonna kill the origami killer.
Oh, piece of shit.
Oh. I don't understand. Why, Scott? Are we done together?
What I don't get is like, why would he even help people?
Help people?
Yeah, like why did he help Lauren and why did
Yeah.
he go to all their places? Like,
Why he hurt Jaden like that? I'm gonna save a picture for last.
and he fucking killed what's his face?
Myrtle.
Myrtle.
It was Mormon or something.
Yeah,
Okay, we were never doing that.
I know that's the part that
Yeah, we were
confuses
there the
me.
whole time.
Yeah, that's what confuses me. Like it's because they had to trick you, right?
Right. But we were playing that.
I know. Like when you walk in, he's like,
Oh, maybe that's when Lauren was looking at the weird thing and it was really weird.
Oh,
so
yeah.
Scott did that when that. Oh. Oh my. You're really gonna burn that, Scott? Boop a dooper perp derp.
oh.
Oh.
So did he come see his mom? I can't remember.
He did, yeah. It's a photograph. He had the
Oh
photograph.
yeah, he had the photograph.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, and she just passed.
Really?
I don't know if she was. I heard like
Oh.
beeping, but that could have just been.
He saw his mother when he was sleeping. So he really didn't want to have any ties to this at all.
Yeah. Well, I think like he explains why he did this.
Yeah. Oh man. Aw.
Well,
I mean, it feels bad. It feels so bad. Well, we'll end it here. Enjoy those feels, kids. Don't
see you
leave
in
your
the
brother
next
to die.
episode.
Minutes. If you drink it, you will get the last letters of the address. You will have enough time to save your son and say goodbye to him, but then you will die. You can drink the vial.
But then you will die.
But then you will
The
die.
choice is yours.
Are we gonna take the poison?
You know what? I love my son.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yep.
What about the love interest? What about Madison? No, you wouldn't dare, Shelby. Jaden,
Oh, my husband's.
Jaden, yeah, they're all coming together in a big, a reunion. Oh, come on. We have to get like a pipe, right?
Yeah.